At Automation Direct, we strive to make your customer experience convenient and efficient by offering product guides and selectors to help you choose the right products for your tasks. Our product selectors are designed to assist customers in matching corresponding parts, ensuring a complete system to get your project moving forward. We offer several product selectors, ranging from PLC selectors to motion control, AC motors, pneumatics, light curtains, stack lights, and more. You can find these selectors within their respective product categories, the Product Selector and Configuration Utilities menu, or by visiting the Selector page, linked here to get started. Let's explore a few products to demonstrate how these tools can help you find exactly what you need for your application. Let's start with the PLC, the brain of your system. We offer several PLC families to choose from, each with its own unique capabilities. Using the PLC selector, you can determine the controller type, I/O module, communication ports, protocols, and more to find the best PLC for your application. Once you've selected a product, click Configure to customize that exact PLC setup you need. When you're done, click Add to Cart. If you need a servo motor, use the Sure Servo 2 system selector. Move the slider to specify the amount of torque you need. Choose whether or not you require a holding brake, and select your desired input power. These filters will narrow down the options to the model best suited for you. Once you select a model, you'll see options for cables, drives, and accessories compatible with your choice. When you're satisfied with your selections, click Add to Cart. Finally, let's add a Verma stack light so you can monitor your system status effectively. Start by selecting system-wide options, such as size, light type, and voltage. For the 50mm size, you can add up to 4 elements, and for the 70mm size, up to 5. Choose permanent, blinking, or flashing functions for your stack light. Select your desired colors, and even add an audible element if needed. Once your selections are complete, click Add to Cart. After making your selections, double-check the cart and bill of materials to ensure you've included everything you need for your application. If you have questions about any of the products, feel free to contact our free technical support team for assistance. We hope you find these selector tools helpful. Be sure to check out the rest of our selector tools here at AutomationDirect.com.